Ready? Start. The present appeal by the insurance company is directed against the order dated 27 March 1989 by the High Court dismissing in limine the appeal filed by the appellant against the order of the tribunal holding the insurance company liable under the policy full stop. The question raised in this appeal is whether the insurance company is liable on a policy taken at a time which is after the time of the accident, though admittedly it being of the same date full stop. According to the appellant, the policy was taken for which reliance is placed on the covering note full stop. On the other hand, according to the respondent owner, the insurance was taken in the morning and not in the evening full stop. It is not in dispute that the accident had taken place at 11:30 am. Full stop. The question which was considered and decided by the tribunal was that when the policy is of the same date of accident, notwithstanding the same being issued after the accident, it would still cover the liability of the insurer from the previous midnight of the same date full stop. Accordingly, it held that the appellant is liable for the same full stop para. It is not necessary for us to enter into this controversy in this appeal regarding the correctness of time of the issuance of the insurance policy, as this is a question of fact and this point has not been adjudicated by the tribunal or taken note by the High Court full stop. But now, in view of the decision by this court in the aforesaid two cases, the adjudication of time becomes necessary, for which it would be necessary that now adjudication be made by the tribunal as to what was the time of the issuance of the policy itself full stop. In view of this, we set aside the impugned order of the High Court qua the liability of the insurance company and remained the case back to the tribunal for deciding the aforesaid limited question regarding the time when the insurance policy was issued and then decide consequential liability, if any, on the insurance company. Since this point was not in issue, then we grant opportunity to both the parties to lead any further evidence if they are so advised before the tribunal to the extent it affects the appellant full stop para. There is nothing on the record to show whether the claimant has received any sum decreed for an accident which took place in the year 1987 full stop. It is appropriate on the facts and circumstances of this case that both the insurance company and the insured, which the owner, who are both represented today before us to pay half and half of the decretal amount, and this payment should be deposited by them before the tribunal within 4 weeks from today full stop. The amount so deposited may be withdrawn by the claimant without any security full stop. The tribunal shall intimate to the claimant about the amount being deposited so that they may come to receive the said amount without any security. However, there is dispute of time as to when this insurance policy issued full stop.